Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make 11 Labs Outputs Laugh. To start with, the most effective approach I have discovered involves tweaking the voice settings, particularly adjusting the stability parameter. Lowering the stability increases variability and allows for more experimental results. Initially, the outcomes might be inconsistent due to the lower stability setting, but it opens up possibilities for unique and experimental laughter. In this demo, I have set the stability to around 6. Let us listen to the initial result. Although the results will naturally vary, it is worth experimenting with different settings. You can also manipulate the stability to control the duration of the laughter. Lower stability for longer laughs and higher stability for shorter bursts. As 11 Labs evolves, we expect more customization options that will streamline the creation of laughs and similar effects. I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, drop a comment below to share your experience. And that's everything you need to know about how to make 11 Labs outputs laugh. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.